Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of AS and Worth It. So today's episode, this cool spot right here, and basically what this is a USB shelf floor lamp. So you can basically use the product as a shelf, and you can also use as floor lamp, and you guys have the option for you guys to use the USB and plug outlet to actually recharge as well. And they also have one more thing that's actually included in the product, which is a little drawer, so you can put like your remote inside, which is pretty awesome. And you can see the one that we got right here from this brand right here. So first thing first, I'm going to open the product to show you guys what is actually included inside first before we should set it up. Alright, so you guys first open the product and see that this is basically what it looks like inside. So the first thing that's inside is basically the actual shade for the actual light itself, which I'll show you guys what this is in a second. Next up, they do provide a user manual, and then right underneath that is everything else in terms of the actual shelf and all like the drawers and everything else right here. So I'm actually put this down on the floor and put everything out to show you guys what is actually included inside, and then we'll set everything up. Alright, so right here we have the product. Let me take everything out and show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright, so that's basically everything that's inside the package. So you can see this is basically everything that's included. So I'm assuming this part right here is for the light. This part is like the different shelves, and those are the foundation or sticks to hold it up. And that's the lamp shade, and that is all the accessory that's inside. So let me just take a look at the instruction manual, and then we'll start setting everything up, and we'll also show you guys what's included inside that box as well. Alright, so let's open up this box first. Alright, so right here they provide guys a bunch of these mounting accessories that you can use to install the product. Right here is one of the wooden parts. So I'm assuming this is the part for the charging slot. Right here is the plug outlet, and right here is the plug for the light bulb. And right here is the light bulb that's included, or you can use your own light bulb as well. And that is basically everything that's inside right here. So when you guys take a look at the instruction manual, they show you guys all the step-by-step to show you guys how to install it. And they show you guys what's actually included, so you definitely want to make sure you guys have everything on here first. So basically what I'm going to do first is take these, and take one of these right here. And we're going to use a G-screw and a tool to actually install it. So take one of these out first. And when you guys view the quality of the wood on here, it is a high quality wood. It's not like other products where it's like fake wood or the wood is not as high quality. This one definitely feels like a high quality wood. So all the tools and screws that we'll be using is inside right here. So for the first part that we're going to install right here, we're going to use the G screws, which are the black ones right here. And then here's the tool that we'll be using to install it. So basically you want to put like the wood right here, and you guys want to put the screw in the bottom right here to install it. So let's start installing it and show you guys how to actually do it. Alright, so I got the first one in. You want to do the same thing for other ones as well. Alright, so we just finished the first part right here. What you want to do next is to get the F screws, which are these right here, the gold screw right here, and screw it in first. Screw it in probably like halfway. And then you want to do the same thing for the other ones as well. Alright, so once you guys install that part, this is what it looks like. So you work on the next step. And also one thing I want you guys to know is that when you guys screw the bottom part here, you want to make sure it's tight so that way it doesn't move. So when you guys take out the first layer here, you do not want to use this one yet. This is for like the light bulb section. So basically for the next layer on top right here, you guys want to get this one right here. So this one shouldn't have anything on here. It should be a flat bottom like this. And you basically want to put this screw right here. Make sure all four of them goes through. Once you guys have this set up, then you want to put the poles on top as well. Alright, and you want to do the same thing for other ones as well. Alright, so once you finish this part, you can work on the next step. So this is basically how tall it looks so far, but what you want to do next is get the same F screw and put it on top right here on all four of them. Alright, so once you finish this part, then you guys want to work on the next one. So for the next part, you guys want to take this one out right here. And this is basically the one where you guys want to put like the charge output on top right here. So you just want to put it on top like this. Alright, so once you guys put it on top, this is basically what it looks like. And once you guys finish this part, you guys want to put the remainder of the sticks on top. Alright, so basically once you guys set this part up, this is basically what it looks like once you guys finish all of this up. Alright, so basically what you want to do now is to put this layer on top, and you guys want to put the G screw on top. And basically the G screw is the same one you guys use on the bottom, which are these black ones right here. Alright, so once you guys got all of it in, you guys want to use the little tool that they provide for you guys to screw it in. So once you guys finish setting all this up, what you want to do next is to actually install the plug outlet right here. So this is basically what the plug outlet looks like. And you guys want to put this over here. So just like this. And you guys want to put the screw underneath it to screw it in. And the screws that you'll be using is tiny silver ones, which are J screws. And you want to use the little tool or accessory right here to actually install it. Alright, so we just finished that. What you want to do next is set up the plug outlet for the light bulb right here. And the way how you guys do this is by taking out this part right here, loosen it up. And you basically want to bring this down right here first. And you guys will put the cable inside right here. If you guys want to bring both of those back up and screw it in. And right here you guys have the cable hanging down right here, so you pull it really easy. And then for the other side right here, you're going to plug this into the outlet right here. And you guys want to screw it in right here. Alright, so that should be good. So once you guys finish setting up this part here, what you guys want to do next is to set up the lamp shade. Alright, so this is basically what the packaging looks like for the lamp shade. Let's take it out. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like for the lamp shade for this side. And here's what it looks like on the other side right here. So you basically want to use the Velcro to stick it onto the part right there. So let me show you what I mean. So we're going to take off this part right here first. And you're going to put this inside right here. And you screw this back on. Make sure it's tight. And then you're going to stick this on top. Alright, so you see that this is basically what it looks like once you guys set the bottom part. You definitely want to put this on top as well. Alright, so once you guys fully install it, this is basically what it looks like. So I'm actually take out the light bulb and install that inside. And then we're going to set up these cable right here for the cable management to show you guys how you can actually organize it. So right here's the light bulb that's included. Alright, so we got the light bulb in as well. So you basically want to go like this. So 2 on the top, 2 in the middle, and 2 on the bottom as well. Alright, and then you just put the cable right here. Alright, so we got that set up as well. So once you guys have all this set up, what you're going to do next is install the drawer. So we're going to install the drawer right here. And this is basically what the drawer looks like. Alright, so all you need to do is slide it in like that. And last thing you need to do is install this part right here on top. And you guys want to use a J screw to screw in the bottom. Alright, so that is basically everything that's on the product in terms of how to set it all up. So the only thing we need to do now is put stuff on top and power on and actually activate the product to see how it works. So I'm just plug in the outlet and put stuff on here to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. Alright, so once you guys fully set the product, you see that this is basically what it looks like. So the way how you guys change the different light on here, you just have to pull the cord. So that's light number 1, light number 2, light number 3, and turn off after you guys pull the plug again. Then you got this section right here, the middle section, and also the bottom section as well. This one definitely has a little drawer that you pull in and out. So that way you can store like your remotes or whatever you guys want on here. And then obviously right here you can put like your tablets or your phone to recharge it right here. So this is basically what the bottom looks like. Here's the middle section, and then here's this top section right here. So if I want to put the remote inside, I take it out like this, and we can just put the remote inside like this. That way we can keep everything all organized. And when you're done using it, push it back in. And it's all set. You can definitely use like the plug outlet as well. So plug the cable inside right here and test it out. Alright, so we got the cable plugged in. Let's test it out and see what actually works. So we'll plug the first one right here. Alright, so you can see that that one's working. Alright, so you can see both USB plug outlet definitely does work at the same time. And definitely give you guys a pretty fast charge as well, since it does have a 2A speed. And then they do have this plug outlet as well that's not grounded. So if you guys want to use that option, you definitely can. So I'm going to plug some stuff in here as well and test those out. Alright, so the first one I'm plug in is this one right here. Alright, so I see that that definitely does work. So if you guys want to plug another outlet on here, you definitely can, but because you can see how bulky my charger is, it takes a lot of space. So in order for me to use the other one right here, I need to unplug it unless I have a small plug outlet right here. So I'm going to take this out and plug the other one right here and test it out. So for the other test, I'm going to use this one right here. Alright, so we got the other one plugged in and we have it plugged into my power bank. If I can see it is charging, so you definitely use the plug outlets right here and use the USB as well. If I can see it's still charging my phone and still charging my headphones right here as well. So that's definitely really cool. And the way how to design the part right here is the fact that if you guys want to put your phone right here, you definitely can, which is pretty awesome. And this part right here is very spacious, so if you guys want to put like your tablet on here, you definitely can. But in this case, I'll put my power bank right here. So you definitely have this top layer that you can manage all your cables. You have the little drawer right here to manage all your other stuff like your remotes. And you definitely have this middle section for you guys to put other stuff. And the bottom layer right here to put even more stuff. But one thing to remember is that when you guys put stuff on here, the middle layer is not as strong as the bottom layer. So if you guys want to put like the heavier stuff, you definitely want to put it in the bottom. And then not so heavier stuff, you can put in the middle section right here. And one more thing that I want to show you guys is this option right here in terms of how we set it up. If it's same, so we have this protection layer here and we have the screw right here to tighten it up. And this is basically the string or plug that you want to pull to actually open up the light. If you can see, it works really well. And for the light bulb, if you guys want to, you don't have to use the one that is actually provided for you guys. You can definitely use your own one as well. But this is basically what the inside looks right here in terms of the light bulb, if you guys can see. But this is basically what the overall product looks like, if you can see right here. Definitely pretty cool. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of our product and definitely see that she does work and she works quite well. Super easy to actually use and super easy to install as well. But I definitely love the option how it has that like USB and plug outlet. That way you can actually plug in your cable to charge your device on top, which is pretty awesome. And really cool how it's a floor lamp as well, so that way you can actually use a light bulb inside. And for that light bulb, you can definitely use the one that they provide for you guys, or you can use the one that you guys have yourself. But basically for the light bulb that's included in the package, that will actually give you guys the option to change the color temperature for the light bulb to 3 different colors. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for something that has everything that's on here, like the floor lamp option, the shelves, the drawers, the USB, and the plug outlet. If you guys want everything that's on this product, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.